Hello everyone. Today we are looking at a very special piece of technology. This is the SHARGE Disk Pro. The Disk Pro comes in 3 storage versions: 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and 4 terabytes. In this video, I am reviewing the 2 terabyte model. It is a portable solid-state drive, but it is much more than just a storage device. It is a hybrid of a fast drive and a powerful hardware hub. SHARGE is famous for their transparent design and cyberpunk style. This product follows that tradition perfectly. In this video, we will do a full unboxing. We will check the build quality and test the speed. We will also see how the built-in active cooling works. If you are looking for a way to expand your laptop or phone memory, stay with me. Let's dive in and see what makes this drive different from everything else on the market. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging feels premium and solid. SHARGE always pays attention to small details. As we open the box, the first thing we see is the device itself. It is protected by a plastic shell. Underneath the drive, there are a few accessories. We get a high-quality USB-C to USB-C cable. It feels very durable. There is also a small user manual. Look at the drive. The top part is transparent. You can see the internal components and the tiny fan. This is the active cooling system. The build quality feels excellent. It is a mix of high-grade plastic and aluminum. It feels cold and solid in the hand. On the side, there is a small latch. This is for the built-in cable. This is a very smart design because you will never forget your cable at home. Now let's look closer at the design. The SHARGE Disk Pro is very compact. It can easily fit into a small pocket. The transparent cover is the highlight. It allows you to see the cooling fan. This fan is important because fast drives can get very hot. Heat usually slows down the data transfer, but this active cooling prevents that. On the back, we have a magnetic surface. It is compatible with MagSafe. This means you can snap it onto the back of your iPhone. It stays very firm. On the bottom, there is a hidden compartment. When you open it, you find the ports. This device works as a hub. We have a port for power delivery, we have a port for video output, and we have extra ports for your accessories. It is amazing how much technology fits into such a small body. Let's talk about the hub features. This is where the Pro version shines. Usually, an external drive just stores files, but the SHARGE Disk Pro expands your connectivity. It has an HDMI port that supports 8-key resolution. This is incredible for a portable device. You can connect your laptop to a big monitor using just this drive. It also supports power delivery up to 100 watts. This means you can charge your laptop through the drive while transferring files. There are also USB-A ports for your mouse or keyboard. However, there is one small thing to remember. The ports are quite deep inside the case. You should use the original SHARGE cable or a cable with a slim connector. Very thick cables might not fit perfectly, but for most standard cables, it works just fine. Performance is the most important part of any drive. This model has a 2 terabyte capacity. It uses the latest NVMe technology. I connected it to my computer to run some tests. The read and write speeds are very impressive. You can easily move large files, like 4 key videos, in a matter of seconds. For example, a 10 gigabyte file takes almost no time to copy. This speed is perfect for video editors. You can edit your projects directly from the SHARGE Disk Pro. There is no lag or delay. While working hard, you can hear the small fan starting to spin. It is very quiet, but effective. The temperature stays low, even during long data transfers. This ensures that the speed remains stable. Many other drives slow down after 5 minutes of work, but not this one. Who is this device for? First, it is perfect for iPhone users. If you have an iPhone 15, 16 or 17, you can record high-quality video directly to this drive. The magnetic attachment makes it very convenient. It becomes a part of your camera rig. Second, it is great for iPad and MacBook users. These devices often have few ports. The SHARGE Disk Pro adds memory and a hub at the same time. Third, it is excellent for gamers. You can use it with a Steam Deck or a ROG Ally. It gives you 2 terabytes of extra space for your games, and you can connect the console to a TV using the built-in HDMI port. It is a truly universal tool for any tech enthusiast. To wrap things up, the SHARGE Disk Pro is a unique product. It combines a fast SSD, a cooling system, and a multi-port hub. The design is beautiful and functional. The 2 terabyte capacity is enough for most professional needs. The magnetic mounting and built-in cable make it very portable. Yes, it is more expensive than a standard external drive, but you are paying for the extra features and the build quality. It solves the problem of carrying many different dongles and cables. Everything you need is in this one small box. If you want a fast, reliable, and cool-looking drive, this is it. Thank you for watching my review. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please hit the like button. See you in the next one.